Reports, the Title Page, by Zachary Koppelman. The first layer of report is the title page. It is the reader's first interaction with the report, and thus the title needs to concisely describe the subject of the report. Reports are often lengthy, and most readers are easily frustrated if they have to scan the report just to determine the subject of the report. Vague or generic titles can prevent readers from effectively finding a report of interest. The title should be concise but descriptive. It needs to say something specific about the report, something that distinguishes the report from all other reports, especially those concerning similar projects. At the same time, the title needs to be fairly short, normally 5 to 12 words, so that it can be easily referenced by others. When readers pick up a report, they should be able to read the title page and instantly know the subject of the report, as well as the authors, company name, date, and other relevant information. Titles like Report 1, Progress Report, and Team Bravo Report provide little or no detail about the subject of the report and thus don't provide readers, or those whose job it is to archive the documents, with the descriptive details needed to classify the document by subject. Generic, ineffective titles suggest a lack of care, understanding, or effectiveness in documenting work. Regardless of the reason, generic titles create a poor impression of authors and possibly the school or company. It is never a good idea to give readers any reason to doubt your writing abilities or your dedication to your work. Coming up with a concise but descriptive title is not always easy, and it can be frustrating. At times, it can be downright difficult to accurately convey enough information for a reader to understand the essence of your report in 12 words or less. One way to craft a title is to think about the what and how of the project. If the project is to build a portable rope bridge for use in rescue efforts after earthquakes or other disasters, you might use the title Static Rope Bridge for Rescue and Evacuation, or Reusable Rescue Bridge Constructed from Static Rope. Both of these titles address the what, a rescue bridge, and the how, using static rope. Here are two more examples. Travel tricycle for easy assembly from PVC components, and hydraulic dual-stroke piston for wave action power generation. All of these examples address the what and the how of the project, and all are concise yet descriptive. In addition to a descriptive title introducing the project to the reader, a descriptive title can help ensure a report is archived correctly. It is common for companies to archive reports on servers. Descriptive titles make searching the database easier and more efficient. The title page also includes other identifying information: the author or authors with possible space for signatures, company or institution affiliation for each author, date of submission. The exact layout of the information and the exact details required can vary by instructor or company, so it is very important to talk to your instructor or supervisor for more specific expectations. The next vidcast in this series will focus on the executive summary. If you have any questions, please talk to your TA. This has been Layering Reports, the Title Page, by Zachary Koppelman, in cooperation with the Purdue Online Writing Lab and prepared for the School of Mechanical Engineering Writing Enhancement Program.